covering South Florida from the Palm Beaches to Boca Raton and the Treasure Coast. This is WPBF 25 News at 9.
Coming up on WPBF 25 News at 9, athletes in Rio are sporting different kinds of rings.
We're talking about the marks left behind from cupping. Coming up, we have an expert joining us live in studio to talk about this centuries-old medical practice. I may, if I'm brave enough,
You're
give
going
it a
to,
try.
Stephanie.
I haven't decided yet because honestly, it does look a little painful.
Don't disappoint people. We want to see
but
it.
do I want a round hickey mark for days on me?
Yes, you should try it right on your cheek.
Oh, that would look attractive. We'll be right back after the break. All right, you may have noticed several members of Team USA sporting some different kinds of Olympic rings in Rio. There are those round purple and red marks we've seen on their bodies, especially Michael Phelps. They're a sure sign of cupping. So joining us right now to talk about the ancient medical practice is Dr. Ken Gray, a local holistic medicine expert. Dr. Gray, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me. It was great.
I'm a little nervous.
You should be. No,
they want me to try this cupping. We'll see. But first explain what is cupping and where did it start?
It's thousands of years old. Ancient Egyptians used it. Obviously it's part of traditional Chinese medicine. It's a phenomenal way to move blood and energy. Qi, which a lot of people are familiar with that term now because of acupuncture, is something that can get blocked, as well as blood.
Okay.
Now, so when you have these blockages, it's very easy to sort of move with acupuncture, but also cupping is something that's widely used in the integrative medicine field.
Okay. So you brought different examples with you. So kind of explain what's in front of us.
This is kind of one of the oldest ones. I think they transitioned from bamboo at one point to glass, and you use like a little cotton swab, you light it on fire, and that is simply used to suck the oxygen out.
Okay.
Right? So that's easy on that. But then you get some sort of modern views. This one incorporates a little magnet in there, which is fun. I use this one. It's very easy to access.
Okay.
And you use this to depress the air. So the technology on this is pretty simple, more modern. This is a little bit of do-it-yourself. Sometimes you could be at home.
Oh, okay. This looks like nice.
Yeah, a little do-it-yourself, right? And you could use it obviously as a practitioner, but it is only one tool in the toolbox of a, holistic physician.
So why would this help an Olympic athlete, say?
Oh, so many ways. Well, when you're so active as an athlete, you develop a lot of toxins, you develop a lot of blockages. So this can help move and release and pull toxins up into the surface of the skin, the largest organ of the body, in order to basically help the body get rid of it faster. So it's a faster recovery time, better healing time, right? And also, toxins can slow us down.
Yeah.
So it allows the body to really just move faster and heal faster.
All right, well, I am going to take one for the team. Okay. I will try this cupping technique, and whichever one you choose, hopefully a smaller circle, because I know this is going to last for a couple days. Yeah. How long does the ring stay?
It can be a few, days, because it is proteins and toxins being dissipated through the largest organ of the body. So it leaves you a little hicky. I mean, what can I say?
All right, I will let you give me a hickey.
But
I'm sure my husband's not.
Exactly. This is where it's coming from, right?
All right, what should I do? Just hold my arm out?
Oh, just relax. The first question I get asked by new patients especially is this going to hurt? The reality is it's nowhere near as what people think, It's just a little suction, right?
No, it's not bad at all.
No.
Feels kind of weird.
Yeah.
It feels like an octopus.
What I like to do for my patients that do have events, before they come, they sometimes have events that they're going to go to the next weekend, I move it around. This way you don't have a circle hickey, you just have like a movement and maybe some redness. So
it looks really gross though.
Yeah, but you have to apply a little bit of oil or lotion to sort of give some glide. But this pulling suction sensation is very necessary to pull those toxins. So also helps with pain relief. And if you think about it, it's one of the only therapies that does have a pulling. Well, everything is pushing and sliding. So this is one way to pull and release fascia. Fascia also. Big deal in Olympics and fitness. They get tight and they get, constrained. So you can move and release and help everyone perform better. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, Dr. Gray, thank you so much for being here. That was really neat. I appreciate it. We'll be right back after the break. I think we're all going to try more cupping before we